To help you better understand and create an effective carpet maintenance plan, we work with the Carpet and Rug Institute, CRI, a membership group of leading U.S. carpet manufacturers and suppliers, in order to develop industry-approved educational materials and valuable information on all aspects of carpet care. Through its Seal of Approval certification program, the CRI supervises rigorous scientific testing, including X-ray fluorescence, to evaluate the effectiveness of carpet cleaning products. The program currently tests hundreds of commercial cleaning solutions, vacuums, and deep cleaning extractors and systems. In fact, to help recognize industry excellence, products meeting the CRI Seal of Approval may display gold, silver, or bronze rankings. You'll want to make sure you choose from the gold or silver level. We also work with the Institute of Inspection Cleaning and Restoration Certification, IICRC, to provide the most up-to-date, effective training on carpet maintenance. The IICRC is an independent educational certification group that evaluates and certifies instructors and training programs for job categories such as commercial carpet maintenance technician, water damage restoration technician, carpet color repair technician, senior carpet inspector, and some 15 other categories within the floor, furniture cleaning, and maintenance field. To locate an IICRC certified cleaning professional, customers can contact the organization online at certifiedcleaners.org. Additionally, some customers or staff may have access to other industry training or resources, such as programs offered by maintenance supply companies. Customers should review these programs to be sure materials, related supplies, and procedures conform to industry standards and best practices. So, resources abound. But how do you create a customized, effective carpet maintenance plan?